Crypto whales have very much capitalized on this extended bear market because they've been buying altcoins that have fundamentally been doing everything right, but have been down 95% or more in terms of token value. And these same whales are going to be able to sell those altcoins at multiple times their entry prices in just the next really few months. They're very patient, and this is how they make big money in every market cycle, crypto or otherwise. And they're still buying in what may be the early stages of this bull run. And that means that they know what's coming up for this space is going to be massive. So we are going to specifically look at what the smart money crypto whales have been accumulating. There's 3 altcoins in particular that they've been scooping up in these last 2 weeks. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck if you choose to invest. Just remember that I'm not a financial or investment advisor, and by extension, this video is not official financial or investment advice. Did you grab your free Altcoin Buzz Alpha subscription yet? If not, you better hurry, because if you're an engine starter staker, you can sign up and get cash back. Join by using the link in the description below, because you'll get access to our portfolio, our gems, IDOs, flips, upcoming airdrops, general strategies, Altcoin Buzz buy and sell calls, and detailed reports. Once again, you can find our link in the description of this video or the pinned comment below. At number 1 on our list, we're starting off, and we're going to be able to keep it simple because Bitcoin shot to a 17-month high on Wednesday. It was actually even briefly trading above the $35,000 mark. And of course, the Grayscale and Bitcoin ETF approval have been the driving force in this particular surge. However, whales have also taken the opportunity to add to their bag of Satoshis. So BTC whales recently accumulated 117 Bitcoins worth about $3.2 million. And some would say that this buying spree is really representative of FOMO, fear of missing out. It's possible, but all we can say and all that we know is that there is massive attention right now on Bitcoin. And whales aren't backing down. Earlier this month, Sentiment reported that whales have accumulated around 20,000 Bitcoin worth $550 million. That's since the beginning of October. And BTC also recorded 14,833 transactions in one day, which was the most since June. And if you look at BTC's value, that has more than doubled this year. And that's because investors are excited about the possibility of buying Bitcoin funds that trade on stock exchanges rather than just dealing with crypto platforms. And the excitement surrounding Bitcoin actually doubled this week after reports emerged that the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF appeared to be on a list controlled by the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation. Several companies have also been turning to crypto as of late, and of course, they're first and foremost welcoming Bitcoin. So Honda and Ferrari, they recently announced plans to accept crypto. And cryptocurrency users believe that BTC stands to gain the most from this particular corporate pivot. And fear is also another reason why investors are turning to Bitcoin in terms of the numbers that we're seeing here. The global market is pretty crazy right now, and things are very unstable geopolitically as well, given the context of what's happening in a couple of different areas of the world, unfortunately. And so people are diversifying their assets. This is always a step that people take. And many believe that Bitcoin is a safer bet right now, right? The digital gold strategy is offering investors a way to really just get out of the regular stock market. At number 2 on our list, we're also keeping it pretty simple here with Ethereum. And we're asking whether or not Ether can hit $2,000 in the very near future. Obviously, it's going to hit 2K imminently and eventually, but I think there's a chance that it may be very soon. Everyone's asking about the $2,000 mark, and that's because Ethereum has been on a pretty massive growth spree. Several whales have shown huge interest in Ethereum over just the last few days, and they've accumulated large amounts of Ether. Look On Chain reported that between October 20 and 23rd, 6 whales accumulated about 42,391 ETH, or about $71 million. And then in addition, 4 new whales purchased a pretty substantial amount of ETH on Coinbase. Plus, the Whale Alert crypto tracker reported that a whale withdrew a huge amount of ETH from Binance to an anonymous wallet. The whale tracker also revealed that 3 new whales together bought 47,760 ETH within the last 2 days. And another new wallet bought and withdrew 8,310 ETH from Coinbase. That's worth about $15 million. Now, interestingly, there has been a decrease in the supply of ETH available on exchanges. And these sort of low figures were last seen in 2015. So really the big question is what's happening here. Over the last 48 or so hours, Ethereum has recorded a huge, approximately 10% price growth. ETH moved from the $1,717 range to about $1,850. And we can say that the Bitcoin hype sort of spilled over into Ethereum, as it usually does, by the way. This is a reliable thing, and it's not at all surprising. As it always happens in this space, capital first flows into Bitcoin, and then Ethereum, and then cascades into large cap, mid cap, and small cap altcoins. Last but not least, and at number 3 on this list, we are considering Chainlink. And the whales here are not backing down anytime soon. They've continued to accumulate LINK, L-I-N-K, throughout October. And LINK surged actually more than 43% over the last month, really demonstrating pretty impressive strength and resilience. Network activity has been very high in recent days. Things peaked for Chainlink on the 21st of October when the LINK token saw 220 whale transactions, surpassing $100,000 each. In addition, the count of unique addresses engaging with LINK moved to nearly 5,000. And then on the same day, Chainlink saw more than $800 million in trading volume. Now, we believe that the highly anticipated Chainlink staking version 0.2 platform is a major catalyst for this growth. The new upgrade introduces new features to the network, such as an unbonding mechanism and liquid rewards. And these features are going to provide stakers with more transparency and far greater control. And, it's been a long time coming for LINK. It's been dormant for a long time, but they've been doing great work behind the scenes and really throughout this bear market. So Chainlink's day is at hand, and it's great to see.